Multifunction cleaning powerfully vacuums and mops your floors at the same time, while avoiding carpets while it cleans. 100 scrubs per minute. Sonic mopping scrubs your floors at high speeds to break down messes and absorbs into a soft, washable microfiber mopping pad. On-demand deep cleaning. Select ultraclean mode in the SharkClean app to target specific rooms, high traffic zones, or spots for multi-directional deep cleaning coverage. Avoids carpets. Set no-mop zones in the app for areas to avoid while mopping hard floors. Perfect for homes with pets. With powerful suction, sonic mopping, and Shark's self-cleaning Brushroll, the robot picks up pet hair and eliminates stuck-on pet messes with ease. Precision home mapping. LIDAR technology quickly and accurately maps your home so you can set up cleaning areas and no-go zones in the SharkClean app. Detects avoids objects. Eye laser navigation ensures total home coverage with precise row-by-row cleaning, day or night, while detecting and avoiding objects 4 inches high or taller. Powerful pickup. Incredible suction picks up all kinds of dirt and debris, and in ultra-clean mode, you get 30% better carpet cleaning, versus RV2001WD single pass coverage, tested with sand on level loop. Complete hands-free control. Set a cleaning schedule, initiate on-demand cleaning, or activate ultra-clean mode, all with sound of your voice, using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Top reviews from the United States. Wow, this thing is amazing, does what it says. My first shark never left the dock. After a day of frustration, thinking I was doing something wrong, I got a hold of technical support. And they agreed it was defective. It only moved a short distance in circles and mumbled error 21. To my surprise, a new pod arrived in 4 days. I had to switch a few things, like brush, dustbin, battery, and those whisker thingies. I was apprehensive about running this one, but after programming, exploring, and mapping, it was a success. The app is amazing. Every morning at 10 a.m. it leaves its dock and cleans everywhere. The app shows the clean areas and is fully controllable. Had this wonder machine couple of weeks now, and we both love it. Vacuums and no streak mopping all in one pass. We named him Robbie. I wanted to call him Dick after my neighbor who does all the housework in his house, but my wife said no.